actually using all the gear what came with the boat?
Yeah, literally everything gets used. Minn Kota, wash down pumps, live bait tanks, anchor, yeah, stereo system, lights for night, yeah, radar, outriggers, everything, like everything gets used. Yeah, it's been epic, especially the Helmmaster, like even just like tracking out sea, probably autopilot and...
Oh, your dad is on!
Oh, what a tinny. Yeah, definitely Waihao Bay, like that's somewhere we always wanted to go, but also wanted to go like in a vessel that you feel safe in. Yeah, you need a hardcore fishing boat to feel safe. When you're going, you know, 50 nautical miles offshore to chase bluefin tuna, that's probably one of the coolest things. You can't see anything, and you know, you're just kind of out there with a few other boats in the distance, and it gives you options as well. Like, you know, you can go offshore, you can stay overnight, you can go straight lining, you can go in the Firth of Thames. Like, it's just that versatile, which is awesome.
Do you actually use all the gear which is on the boat, like the radar and the transducers and the sounder, obviously, like everything? Do you?
Everything. Everything's perfect.
Do you usually fish across the Manukau Bar?
Always.
And you feel comfortable crossing the bar with the boat?
I think this boat is perfect to cross the bar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. That's
Very
cool.
fast and very stable.
Yeah.
So you're using all the gear on the boat?
Yep, using everything. That radar's excellent for night, auto guidance.
The live sculpt from the Garmin, is that?
That's,
have you tried that heat?
Yep, I've used it a bit. It was good up the Firth.
I mean, there's so much gear, you probably need a lot of time and different fishing styles as well.
Don't know a quarter of it. There's still so much more time I need to spend to learn everything. I've got the basics down, I think.
You're using the Helmmaster heaps?
Yeah, I use the Helmmaster quite a bit. Haven't done too many deep sea drops yet, so it'd be quite interesting to use the fish point when it comes to that time.